Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Question. Today I'll show you how to open multiple application with a single click. It's a very simple trick. You need to create a bash file. Within the bash file, you need to write the code for whatever application you want to open with a single click. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to do that. Now I am at computer screen. I already created one program bash file, which if I click over here it will open three program like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and also Notepad 2. Just double click in this program. You see Notepad open, Excel is opening, now Word is open. This is the program we need to build, and within single click you can open multiple program. So in order to do that, we need to open the command prompts. Command prompt you can open multiple way. So Windows search program, write cmd. It is a command prompt. So we'll create a bash program in the desktop. So we need to navigate to desktop. So first thing, let's say directory. How many directory? Yes, we have desktop over here. cd desktop, then hit enter. Let me clear up the screen. So desktop will create a bash file which will open multiple program with a single click. So first command is copy con, then is the file name multi open .bat. This is the file name. Copy con, it will create the file. Then we need to write the command which file we need to open. So command is start notepad. Then we will start another program, start winword. It is Microsoft Word. It will open. Start Excel. We can do another program, start calc. In this way you can do multiple program, you can open multiple program. So once it is done command writing, hit Ctrl G button, then hit enter. This program file created. If you see multi open, if you do the directory on this file, you see the multi open .bat file is there. So now minimize this, exit from command prompt, go to the desktop. You see multi open, it is created. If you double click over here, it will open all the program file. Double click, you see notepad open, Excel opening, calculator open, Word file open. This the magic of bash programming file. I believe you understand what is the purpose for this file opening. Also you can run this program through the command prompt too. In order to do that, you need to open command prompt, type cmd in the Windows search button. Once command prompt is open, you need to navigate in the desktop, cd desktop, because our program is in desktop. Then you can just type the file name multi open .bat, then hit enter. You see everything is open. Notepad, calculator, Word, all the file open with a single click. That's the beauty of bash programming. I believe this video will be very helpful for themselves, those who want to open multiple applications with a single click. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.